Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install Kali Linux 2018 on VMware along with the VMware tools. My web browser is already open and I'm going to navigate to www.kali.org. In the Downloads menu, I'm going to click on Download Kali Linux and select the 64-bit version and save the file. It's going to take a few minutes. My file has been downloaded and now I have launched the VMware Workstation 12 player. This version of the VMware player is free for non-commercial use and I will provide you with a link in the description below. Next, I'm going to click on Create a new virtual machine and browse for the file I downloaded earlier and click Open. Then Next. I'm going to make sure that I'm using Debian 8 64-bit and Linux is my operating system. Next. I'm going to name my virtual machine as Kali 2018.1. Press Next. And 50 gig of disk space as one file. Next. Customize the hardware and allocate 4096 megabyte, which is 4 gig of RAM. For the processors, I'm going to pick 4 cores. The USB controller as USB 3.0. And for the display, I'm going to accelerate the 3D graphics. And that's it. Press Finish. And now I'm ready to play the virtual machine. I'm going to choose Graphical Install using the keyboard arrow keys. I'm going to select the default English as the language, and the country as the United States, and the keyboard as American English. I'm going to leave Kali as the host name, and I'm not going to set any domain name. I'm going to set the root password and type it twice. Press Continue. Select my clock as Eastern Time. I'm going to leave the guided partitioning to use the entire disk. Select the disk that I want to partition. And I'm going to choose all the files in one partition. I'm going to confirm the changes. And I'm going to say yes to write the changes to the disks. Now the system will be installing and it's going to take a while. I'm going to say yes to use a network mirror and no HTTP proxy. I'm going to say yes to install the Grub bootloader, and I'm going to select the device for the bootloader installation. Now that the installation is complete, I'm going to go ahead and remove the file that I downloaded earlier. In Settings, Connection, use physical drive, and press OK. And I'm going to press Continue to finish the installation. Kali Linux will automatically reboot. Once prompted for a username, I'm going to enter root and my password. Kali is now installed. But if I want to maximize the window, it doesn't work. So for that purpose, I will need to install the VMware tools. I'm going to open a terminal window and type apt space update. Once the update is done, I'm going to enter apt space install space open -vm -tools space open -vm -tools -desktop space fuse. If you come across this error, an easy fix is to enter rm space /var/lib/dpkg/lock enter. rm/var/cache/apt/archives/lock and retry the command. Enter yes. Once it's done, I'm going to exit my terminal window and restart my system. I'm going to enter root as my username and my password. Now I should be able to maximize my window. Okay, I'm going to restore it. And I want to try if I can do a copy paste between my Windows host and Linux. So I'm going to create a text file on my desktop. Enter this is a copy paste. Copy it and paste it to my terminal. And it works. Now I'm going to minimize it and I'm going to open a folder and close this window, and I'm going to drag it, and as you can see, the drag and drop works as well. I hope you liked this video. For more content, please press like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.